The Rolls Royce Cullinan represents the pinnacle of luxury in the SUV segment, blending opulence, power, and craftsmanship in one commanding presence. Named after the largest diamond ever discovered, the Cullinan lives up to its name by offering an unparalleled driving experience. It is not just a car. It is a statement of prestige and power on wheels. Under the hood, the Cullinan is powered by a 6.75-liter V12 twin-turbocharged engine that produces a smooth yet commanding 563 horsepower. This powerhouse of an engine ensures effortless acceleration and supreme performance, whether cruising on highways or tackling rugged terrains. The all-wheel drive system provides stability and control, allowing the Cullinan to handle any road condition with grace. Its exterior design is both bold and graceful, with its iconic Pantheon grille, Spirit of Ecstasy ornament, and crisp, sculpted lines. The Cullinan commands attention without being overly flashy. The black color adds a sense of mystery and dominance, enhancing the vehicle's already majestic presence. The large 22-inch wheels and high ground clearance offer a true SUV stance while retaining Rolls-Royce's signature elegance. Step inside the Cullinan, and you're welcomed into a world of ultimate comfort. The cabin is a masterpiece of hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and metallic accents. Every surface, button, and panel reflects Rolls-Royce's commitment to perfection. The rear seats offer a lounge-like experience with reclining functionality, a built-in champagne cooler, and custom lighting options, turning every journey into a first-class experience. Technologically, the Cullinan is equipped with cutting-edge features like a fully digital instrument cluster, a heads-up display, night vision, and a high-resolution infotainment system with bespoke audio. Yet, all of this tech is discreetly integrated, preserving the traditional Rolls-Royce ambience, whether being driven or driving yourself. The Cullinan offers an unmatched blend of comfort, presence, and exclusivity. It redefines what an SUV can be, not just a utility vehicle, but a sanctuary of luxury that moves with you, wherever the road may lead.